This is the most narrow spot, and I'm glad I'm on a diet, or else I don't think I could get through here because of my tummy. On my way out in the wilderness, just had my leg day workout, 3 hours sleep, just finished my night shift, so I'll survive. Need to turn the rhythm back today. This is one of my usual hiking trails. Today it's been raining a little bit, as you can see, it's wet. So the people that makes this, thank you very many. So we're gonna go further into the forest part. Not sure if you can hear it, but the birds are singing. So relaxing. I can tell where I'm from, so you get to know me a little more. I'm from Norway, the west side of Norway, or southwest. And this area is known for bad weather, especially rain. So when the summer is not here, most of the time you just sit inside. So I feel it inside that the summer is coming, the brighter days, the sun, the warm weather, and that does something to the energy, especially for me. And to make it a little bit about what my channel usually is about, I'm filming with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 4K, 30 FPS, and I'm testing out the wind noise on the native app on the iPhone 16 Pro. But you have to go in the settings to put that on. It's quite windy, so if I had the wind noise settings off, I think it would be much worse than it is now. So actually, the wind is capturing me sometimes, so it's quite strong. Yeah, but beautiful day. It's actually perfect for hiking because you get hot, nice with some wind cooling it down. This is therapy. It's best therapy that it is. Yeah. Let's move on. This is not the place to stand when the sea is really rough and windy. But now it's safe. Oh, look out there now. I don't have too much battery on my phone because I've been to the gym, and I really noticed that on my legs. My quads almost cramped up when I was walking up the little hill there. But what do you do to get in shape? Now we're gonna walk up here. Oh, I'm feeling it in my legs. It's like a step machine. I have to step up every time to get to the top. Ooh. As long as I don't cramp, it's okay. Because when I cramp, I really cramp. Then I'm on the ground yelling for help. And then that doesn't work out here. Out there with the island, it's really foggy, and that's coming in here. There we are. In there is a cave. You can walk to the other side, and here you have the little roof overbuilt, so you can sit and relax. And there is some grill options, like stone, made of stone, so you can put your food on and grill. In the summertime, this is just perfect. The sunset in front of you, having some snack, maybe have a barbecue on that one. You can see people are enjoying their barbecue and having a nice meal over there, or on the benches here. Not the prettiest place, but it's cozy. I prefer like forest and stuff, but this place is nice enough. Here you can sit and relax and ponder of how the hell you became who you are and how you ended up where you are. Why did you do the things you do or did? Yeah. Up there is the walkthrough. I think it's 40 centimeters on the narrowest point. when you walk to the other side. And here we have a lot of stones. People like to build this. It's been kind of tradition on this spot for many years. People build these ones, and it's all over the place. Now maybe. Not sure if you can hear me. It's a good test for distance also. We're gonna check out the passage here, see if the camera holds when it comes to brightness in dark environment. You can see there the light in the end, so it's not too long, but it's full of rocks, not easy to walk in, and it's a good test for the camera in dark environment. And I can see it's much darker in real life than the camera shows, so it's quite good. And my battery is really bad, so I need to hurry up. Now it's getting really narrow. It's the width of my shoulders now when I crunch them together. The camera is actually quite good. There is some light from above, you can see there. But what do you think about the quality? I'll turn around so I get darkness in front and back. Now it's just lit from above. So I'm actually a little bit impressed with the camera. But when you're taking photos in dark, it's not good. That's my experience. It needs good lighting to get some good photos. Yeah, okay. Need to get out of here. You see there, boulders is falling down. I think this is the most narrow spot, and I'm glad I'm on a diet, or else I don't think I could get through here because of my tummy. Yeah. Okay, we're out. And now we're gonna walk up here and end up all the way on the other side where the ridge is. And I think I'm out of battery. Hopefully I still have something left so I can make a little outro. Whew. My legs is killing me. I did all out on the leg day today. By the way, I don't think I've said it, my name is Chris, and I'm in the end of my 40s. Yeah. Actually, I don't like to be too precise on my personal info, because, you know, internet today, the scammers and people, they love that information. And I kind of work in that business, so working against shit happening. Let's say it like that. Yeah, it's important to be aware of your online information and stuff like that these days. This is what I actually prefer, a little foresty terrain. You can hear the birds singing. Sing. Nice. Now it's really starting to rain. God damn it. We need to walk all the way over there to that house. That's where the car is. I'm gonna get wet. Let's go. Made it to the other side. We were over there with the tree. and beyond. And now we're gonna walk the ridge here to the car. Maybe 5 more minutes. And I had a hope that my shoes were gonna be dry. It's mesh, and you can see the state of my pants and shoes. Panic mode. Yeah, I think we're gonna stop there. This was a very impulsive video. I didn't bring any tripod or anything. It's been my bottle, putting the phone up to the bottle on rocky mountain ground. And I started with 46% battery, and now it's 5%. So I barely made it. I did some video clips for my Facebook in Norwegian just before, so that drained it a little bit, because sometimes I make 20 clips before I'm satisfied. But this time, this video, I'm just burning on. I'm just clipping, and whatever it is, it is. Need to be... I never find the words in English when I'm filming, but when I'm not filming, I find them. Get used to just talking. There it is. Yeah, anyways, iPhone 16 Pro Max, a little bit about me. I want to try to do some like daily vlogs. I need challenges in my life, and this is one of them. And yeah, so as you can see, I am on a graveyard because the trail ends and begins next to a graveyard, and you need to walk through it to get to the parking spot. Anyways, my name is Chris. I hope you liked this little short daily life video, my first one, and maybe I'm gonna do a full format video. Oh, I'm shaking now. Need to hold with my back, both hands. My English sucks. Anyway, see you in the next one. Bye.